What's up, guys? It's Michael DRB doing another toy review again. And guys, I'm gonna be reviewing this toy truck I got for Christmas. It's new. It's called the Rhino. Yes, guys, it's the Rhino, and it comes with a car battery that you put under it right here. You put it in like this, guys. Watch. Look, car battery. You put it like this. So this part that goes like vroom, it goes under. This part goes in, the two metal pieces, and there's a little lock. And then it makes that little sound, and then click. You hear that? And it comes with, the car battery comes with the charger. And then look, guys. Look. I want to show you how it works. Look. My battery dead? You just click on and off. Look. Okay, I'm going to put the camera view weird, because I need to. And guys, I actually didn't. I found my darts. So I didn't lose my darts. Yeah. Guys, I don't know how to do this. I put my brass knuckles right here. They don't fit. Put this right here. So look. Look, guys, my car. Yeah, when your batteries don't work, it does that sometimes. Yeah, but it goes fast, guys. That's the end of this short review. Bye!